Hey, what's up? My name is Gabriel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb on a BMW R Nine T Scrambler and share some thoughts on why I'm keeping the original halogen bulb setup. My high beam went out the other day, and when either your low beam or your high beam goes out, the lamp warning light on your speedo will come on. The only tool you'll need is a T20 Torx wrench. To begin, locate the Torx bolt on the bottom of the headlight ring and reflector. Loosen the bolt without unscrewing it all the way. Lift the bottom of the ring off, then the top. Disconnect the plug to the bulb and unplug the parking light bulb. Just wiggle it and pull on it. They'll come out. After removing the headlight ring and reflector, note that this rubber cap has a top. The bottom of the reflector has the bolt assembly where you loosened it. All you need to do is pull this cap off. To get the bulb out, push down on the side of the spring clip to disengage it, and then kind of slide it out of the way. Even though there's screws there, don't unscrew anything. The bulb has these prongs laid out like the letter Y, and it only fits into the reflector one way. Just align the prongs and you're good. I replaced my bulb with a standard H4 55 watt halogen from Hella. It's German and it's inexpensive. I'll get into why I stayed with halogen towards the end of this video. By the way, I'm wearing gloves because you don't want to touch the bulb lens. If you leave any skin oils on the bulb, a hot spot develops that will make the bulb wear out faster. Push the spring clip back down and re-engage it. Push the rubber cap on, noting the top and bottom. Plug the parking light back in and reconnect the electrical plug. Reinstall the ring and reflector, starting with the top first, then re-engage the bottom. And the way this bolt assembly works is it pinches the headlight shell, so when you're putting the reflector back, make sure the rim of the shell goes between the small metal flange and the reflector ring. Double check the vertical alignment. If you're having any trouble getting the reflector on snug, it might be because of the alignment. Don't ask me how I know that. When everything is back together snug, tighten the bolt and done. So when I ran a search on Amazon for H4 bulbs, most of the results were for LEDs. It was kind of difficult to find a standard halogen, as if Amazon wanted me to buy a more expensive LED. And even though Amazon has a vehicle fitment filter that provides you with compatible results, most of these aren't actually going to work so easily. Most of these LEDs are 20 to 25 watts. The halogen is 55 watts. If the bulb is the wrong wattage, your lamp warning light is going to come on. So reason number one to stay with halogen: non-equivalent wattage and triggering the lamp warning light. Reason number two: your headlight reflector was designed for a bulb that emits light in a full 360 degrees. These LEDs throw light in either a 1, 2, or 3 directions. Your beam isn't going to look right. If you want LEDs, replace the entire headlight assembly with an LED unit. Reason number three: I didn't want to complicate my life. These LEDs all have their own cooling fans. What? I don't need fan noise coming from my headlight. And if the LEDs ever stop working, whether from burning out or fan failure, that's it. No more light. With a halogen, if the low beam burns out, the high beam is still going to work, and vice versa. You'll still have a light that works at nighttime. Amazon says this halogen bulb will not fit my Scrambler, but that's wrong. Quite the opposite. It's perfect. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.